finish up the floors, baby.
Yeah, so we're gonna be working on cleaning up the grout that I accidentally got on the floor. Well, I shouldn't say me, it was him, okay?
We got it done, babe. That's the most
But
important.
we're gonna be all working together to get this, tackle this thing done so we can seal and start decorating.
Yeah! Alright guys, we are all set, we're done.
Yes! Burning hot.
Okay guys, we just got finished sealing the floor, it looks fantastic, and now my wife is up to bat.
Yes, so now it's time for my favorite part, and that's decorating. So we went to IKEA, we went to our local nursery, got a bunch of plants. We're gonna be putting our patio furniture that we restored with the kids, and just making this area look beautiful so I can start drinking my tea and having my quiet time in here. All right, so my husband is now taking out, those used to hold, what is it called, babe? The curtains.
Yeah.
And I told him, don't take them out, right, babe?
Yeah.
He was painting, and I was like, don't take them out, don't take them out.
Guess what? This change of clean.
And I told him, now take them out, and he's like, you see, this should have been done before, and I said, oops, sorry.
That's what it is.
The good thing is we can always go back and paint, honey. Just
We weren't sure what we're gonna do here because you know we have blinds. We definitely want to install blinds back here at some point in time. Windows are gonna be replaced, but hey, it is what it is. See, I can talk and work at the same time.
no,
See?
you really can't. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna get these things out. We can spray paint them and still use them though. Not there, but we can still spray paint them and use them somewhere else.
These are so old looking.
I don't care. Yes, we can use them. Trust me. We can use them. Once I spray paint them really, really good, we can use them. We don't want to
I really think these are way past spray paint.
I really think that doesn't matter. We're gonna,
Oh, excuse me.
that's some cheese.
Goodness. Lions and the tigers.
And bears. Oh my.
Look at this. This is way past fixing. Look at this. Would you take this and try to? Oh my God! Look at this.
Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. He's gonna eat his words and like he always does.
Oh my God.
Y'all gonna see.
Horrible. Throw it away.
Leave it alone. I'm gonna use it.
All right. Oh.
All right. So I want to show you guys something. All right. So guys, we got this pole from IKEA. This is really for curtains.
Curtain rods.
But yeah, curtain rods. But we bought these, and we're gonna actually hang this up from that end to this end, and we're gonna be actually hanging plants from it. So an inexpensive, but yet very nice way.
Very cool way.
Yeah, to make. So we're not putting curtains in here, obviously.
Yeah. Thank God.
You don't want curtains in here?
No, I think curtains were just a little too extreme here. This is a porch. It's meant just to
Well, we
have
can
the
have
sun come
shades.
and survive.
We
you
can
know?
have shades in here.
Yeah. Okay. We'll see how it's
But for right now, we're gonna be putting this up right here. Are you ready?
Ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
All right. We have these supports right here, which are a little bit shorter, but it might make a little bit of a difference when we're actually hanging it.
Are you struggling?
You should. Let me talk about struggling. Hey, come on. Always playing games. Girls are always playing games. Where's the other bracket? Is that still out
I
there?
don't know, but if you step on my pant one more time, I'm gonna step on you. My poor baby, I'm sorry.
Where'd you put it?
I didn't touch it. You had it. Did you find it? I found it. Babe, you left them right here.
Where's that? Oh.
You're blind.
You hid them on
No,
me.
I didn't. You're blind.
Ah, she's trying to hide them on me.
You are so blind. Seriously.
Gosh.
You are so blind.
You need a new prescription on your glasses there.
Well, you're the one that has contacts on, and let me tell you, if they were right there and you didn't see them, there's something wrong with your contacts.
don't know if that camera can see me.
It's watching you now.
7.5, baby. That's crazy. Now we're gonna find out the middle. Which is my tape measure? She's hiding on that one too. So
This looks like the middle.
Wait a minute, girl.
Let's bet that this is the middle.
Hold on.
That looks like the middle to me.
Hold on. All right, so we are at 159.5.
So divide that by 2.
Oh yeah. 159.5. Divide that by 2. I was right.
No, I was right. I just said 39. I was right.
I was right. I'm killing it. 79.
Oh, I was gonna, baby! I said that was gonna be the middle. You see where that little
No.
babe! Oh my God! Play the tape back. Great. I said exactly where that thing is at, right here.
No.
I said, watch that be the middle right here.
No. See, it wasn't though.
But it was close.
Look,
You know what?
Put your finger there.
Take back. Perfect, baby. Perfect.
All right, let's hang this up.
All right, so you guys know I like to show you guys the truth and what is going on in my house. So my house right now is a little bit a mess just because I have a bunch of the plants that we're putting into the enclosed porch in the house currently, and the pots and just stuff that I bought for the enclosed porch. And all this is full of plants and pots, and this right here, also the chair, because I was trying to see how it would look. These are also for the enclosed porch. You just hang them and you put plants inside of them. So yeah, that is all planned to get this done today. So then I can move everything out of here, clean this area up, and finally have my living room back and a nice area to relax.
It's coming together. Got the plants up. Now it's time to pull in
The furniture. The furniture.
the back of your head.
The furniture. So this table I showed you guys before that we got everything. Everything is stuff we had from before. This table is a tiny bit big for this room, but I think I'm gonna keep it there just because it's just me. And if I want to rest my feet on there, I can move it. I don't know how we're gonna play around with this, but we're gonna start messing around with this and make it look good. All right, guys, so don't come for me because I'm still learning about plants, but I'm falling in love with them little by little. I kept 11 plants in my house, real plants in my house, alive for 9 months. So I went to the nursery, to my local nursery, and they told me that I can go ahead and buy more. If I kept 11 alive, I should be able to keep these alive. So,
Please.
so do you have faith in me?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I know you got this.
I take care of them.
You got this.
So right now we're gonna be repotting from where they're originally at to the new pots that we got, and hoping that none of them die because I'll cry. I legit will cry. I really love my plants. Okay, so you ready?
All right, I'm new to this, so I'm here to help you.
Yeah, well, I'm new to it too, so. But babe, hold on, you're
I'm trying to feed you, baby.
Yeah,
you're gonna grow.
Yeah, you're like hurting it though. You're putting it all over the
all
leaves
right,
and everything.
okay.
You're being savage with it.
Okay, all right.
So you guys see how bad we are.
We're professionals.
We're trying.
We are
I'm really
trying.
trying. I really, really love plants.
Green thumb.
We're trying to have a green thumb.
Trying. We got dirt all over the table.
Guys, and if you guys have any tips for us,
Please
share
send them. Please, we need your help.
Only good tips.
We don't take bad tips.
If you know what you're doing, we'll greatly appreciate your help. Look, can't get no better than that.
Well, can I clean it?
Yes, that's perfect.
But you can't showcase her.
I
with-
showcased it.
No, don't showcase her dirty. Like, clean her up first.
Yeah, she dressed to kill.
She looked like a snack.
He dressed to kill.
Okay, don't touch her. Dang, you're so rough. Get out of here with your freaking callous hands.
So,
Okay, this
next
one we really cannot mess up, Greg.
All right, come on now. Let's go. Like it, like it, like it.
You like it? And then I'll get the...
Hey, look who's chilling in here. Wow, I love it, hon. Love it.
I love it too.
Did a good job. Did a good job.
We still need to do a little bit more things in here,
Yeah,
but I love the way everything came together.
yeah.
It's just our relaxing, chill place.
Mm-hmm.
Just take some tea, sit down, and just, that's it. Put our feet up if we want.
A little
Just
getaway.
relax.
It's a getaway.
Yeah, like right now, earlier it was burning hot. Right now there's a good breeze coming in here. It just feels so good. So there's still a few things that we have to fix within here. One of them is being the windows, but we are not replacing the windows right now
Yeah.
because it's too expensive. So we're just gonna keep these windows as is right now. And just a few little touch-up things here and there that we gotta just do. And I know we should have done that probably before we start decorating, but I am tired of having my living room look like a jungle. All these plants and stuff in there. So I wanted everything out. So I told my husband, chop, chop, seal the floors, let's get this stuff moving. So
I came through though.
yeah, you did come through.
Yes, I
and
did.
we're gonna be
Teamwork.
We're gonna be fixing things little by little as we go.
All right. If you guys can actually see this floor, I love it. Looks really, really good.
Okay, what?
What a transformation. So where are you gonna be reading, babe?
Where am I gonna be reading? In here. This porch was a lot of work. If you guys remember how it looked before.
Uh-huh.
The ceilings are done.
Yeah.
That
looking
nice
good.
fan, that breeze is feeling
Oh.
so good right now.
Uh-huh. This is a little retreat. I'm gonna leave you. Get some peace
Look at
and
the
mind.
messy fingers.